Y'all, I met the most wonderful people at the last Helping a Hero event where we honored Lee Greenwood. He has worked so very hard for the last 10 years to help us build homes for the wounded warriors that come back and need an adapted home for their losses, whatever they have lost. And so I met these nice folks, Ashley and Ben. And Ben said, Paula, I own a business called Good Ranchers. He said, I would love to send you some meat for you to try. I said, Ben, the timing is perfect. You won't believe that we lost electricity for a few minutes and Michael didn't think to check his freezer in his garage. We lost all of our steaks and our salmon that we order from this wonderful fish place. But so Good Ranchers. And he said, hi, we're Ben and Corley Spell, and this is our family. We founded Good Ranchers in 2018 after we discovered how much mystery there was in the meat aisle. I hear you, Ben. I'm with you. And we wanted to find food we could trust to put on our table. Because of customers like you, our family has grown well beyond just our family search for American meat. Your support is rejuvenating American farms across the country, which allows us to continue to form new partnerships. And you also helped us donate to the paralyzed veterans of tomorrow, making a difference in the lives of those who have sacrificed for our country. Way to go, Ben. We must never, ever forget the people that keep us safe, that work to keep us safe. So thank you, Ben. It just came in. You want to take a shot of it, Eddie? Oh, is it all in paper where you can't see? Okay, well, lay it up there so I can see it before you put it all away, okay? What is that? Ground beef patties? Wagyu? Wagyu? What's that? Lollipop. Chicken lollipop drumette. Okay, so that would be the drum of the chicken, and they pull it back so it forms like a lollipop. Thick cut beef filet mignon. Oh, boneless chicken breast. Yay. Yay. You know, Ben told me something that I was shocked by, that they carry prime pork. I've never seen prime pork in a grocery store, ever. I've seen prime fillets, but never pork. So I'm real excited about that. What is that? Hot wings and applewood cured bacon. Ben, I want to thank you so much for sending me that, because you won't believe this. I sent a text to y'all saying, you're not going to believe this. But after we lost all of our prime meats in Michael's freezer, Michael decided he wanted some ice cream. So I was already in bed, and I didn't feel like getting up and checking to make sure the door was closed. So we woke up the next morning. We lost everything in my big freezer in the house. So, Ben, this is right on time. Okay, so it looks like, Ben, that we can take one thing out at a time. So we're putting it in our new freezer. I have a brand new freezer that I'm so excited about. Yay. And I don't think I have to worry about Mr. Michael leaving the door open on this one. I just got a lot. And I'm going to have the key.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.